Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how I turned simple homemade cookies into a beautiful Christmas gift that's perfect for school, teachers, or holiday gifting. I'll show you how I wrapped them nicely and how I created an ingredients label using Canva without a sticker machine. I made two types of cookies, classic shortbread butter cookies, and I wanted to bring them to the next level for gifting. If you'd like to see the full cookie recipe, let me know in the comments. I started with this cute plate from the dollar store. It's affordable and perfect for gift giving. I placed the cookies all around the plates, and once everything was in place, I covered it with plastic wrap to secure the cookies. Once that's done, I'm going to set it aside and move on to making the ingredients label. I always like to include an ingredients label with any baked goods I give away, especially for school, just to be mindful of allergies and to let people know exactly what's inside. Now let's make the ingredients label together. Go ahead and open Canva, and in the search bar, type Christmas stickers. You'll see so many options here, different colors, styles, and designs. Take your time and choose one that matches the look of your cookies. I'm going to go with this one because I love the vintage style, and I feel like it matches my cookies perfectly. If you want, you can order stickers directly from Canva, but since I don't have a sticker machine, I'm just going to customize this one and print it at home. I'm resizing the sticker a little bit and moving it down so I can save it for later. Now I'm adjusting the shape and making space for the ingredients. I'm adding the title ingredients, and I'm going to adjust the font size so everything fits nicely. Since I have quite a few ingredients, I'm making the text slightly smaller and playing with the space until it looks clean and easy to read. I'm duplicating the text so I can keep the same font and style. Then changing the color to black and typing the rest of the ingredients. If it feels a little crowded, you can always adjust the line spacing. That really helps. Once I'm happy with the design, I'm going to download as a PNG, which works perfectly for printing. Next, I'm creating a new design in Canva and choosing a letter size 8.5 by 11. I upload the label, resize it slightly smaller, and center it on the page. That way, when I print it, it's the perfect size to use as a label on top of the cookies. Once it's printed, I cut it out and use a small piece of tape to attach it right on top of the plastic wrap. Now let's finish wrapping the cookies. I'm using clear plastic gift wrap from the dollar store. I cut a large piece, place the cookies in the center, and wrap everything loosely. I twist the top, secure it tightly, and finish it with a red ribbon to make it extra festive. I'm also adding these cute to and from stickers that I already had. They're perfect for personalizing the gifts and make it feel even more special. And that's it. A simple, festive, and thoughtful Christmas cookie gift that's perfect for school or holiday gifting. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see the full cookie recipe. I'd be more than happy to share it with you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.